If you are a Nigerian looking for remote jobs that actually pay in dollars, this is your video. In the last 7 days, I made over $50 from just 3 legit websites, and you too can, alright? Whether you are new to remote jobs or you are searching for how to make money online in Nigeria in 2025, I've got you. These platforms don't need special skills and they work for Nigerians right now. So guys, let's dive in. So as you can see right here, this is the $50 I got from uTest.com. So this is the first website that I'll be introducing to you right here. So guys, let me quickly show you what uTest is all about. So guys, uTest.com is a crowdsourced platform where you earn money by testing apps, websites, games, and devices, and you're basically paid to find bugs and give feedback as a user. So you find bugs and give feedback. So it's as simple as that. And the job type right here is usability testing, bug hunting, functional testing, beta testing on new apps or devices. So you test out new apps right on this platform. So guys, this is what you simply do right here, and they are all legit. So and you simply get paid, all right? And payout method, they pay monthly or twice a month depending on test cycle, all right? So they pay out twice a month depending on test cycle. And also payment are reliable and international, works well for Nigerians with verified PayPal. So guys, if you don't have a PayPal account, I'll simply make a video on how you can create a verified PayPal for yourself. Alright, so guys, that's why you need to actually subscribe and click on the notification bell right now so that you won't miss out on any of my videos. Alright, so it's very important, so please take note of that. And guys, so if you want to actually get started, you simply want to click on get started right here to actually create an account. So you want to click on get started, and guys, you just want to fill out your details. All right, and you are simply good to go. All right, so as you can see right here, so once you enter this and next, want to click on next location, and guys, you can simply do this. So guys, I'll be making another video on this specifically for uTest.com so that you can learn how you can actually make money from uTest.com. So guys, now another thing before I continue with this video, I want you to know that you have to take this serious for you to actually earn money on uTest.com. So you have to put in the work. It's very important. So now it is my job to show you this website that you can actually make money using this website. So but now it's all depend on how serious you take this. So please take this serious. You have to take this serious. It is very important. So now simply move to the next website, which is also legit, and the next website is called simplyhired.com. So guys, simplyhired.com is a global job aggregator. It collects job listings including remote ones from various sources. You will simply find freelance, part-time and remote work right here, and opportunities in many industries. All right, opportunities, like loads of opportunities in multiple industries. You can find them right here on simplified or simply hire.com. So guys, you don't want to miss out on this. And the job type, all right, what you be doing right here, yeah, content writing, virtual assistance, tech support, graphic design, entry level admin jobs. So guys, you can simply jump on this, and you can make money. They are simply remote, all right? And the payout method varies. It varies on depending on the employer, and payment is through maybe PayPal, direct bank transfer, or other freelance platforms. So freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. If the job actually redirects you there, so you can get paid on Fiverr or Upwork. So guys, let me show you what we have right here. So if you type in the search bar on Simply Hired, if you type remote jobs right here, you can see right here we have different remote jobs that you can jump on. As you can see, we have loads of it right here. So now the first one, if you jump on the first one, all right, you'll be getting per estimated per year, you're getting $36,000 to $40,000 or more. So in a year, so this is how much you're getting paid, and they are all remote. All right, they are all remote. And the next one, which is um scheduling rep, you're getting paid 33K, which is too much. Um, so guys, let's simply scroll down a little bit. So we have different uh, remote jobs you can simply apply right here. As you can see right here, remote data entry admin, assistance right here. So guys, you can simply jump on this. I think this was posted 4 hours ago with the most data entry admin assistant. So $24 per hour, which is reasonable, to $38 per hour. So guys, you just want to create an account on this platform to actually get job alert. So guys, it is easy to sign up. All right, so as you can see, let me scroll down a little bit. As you can see, we have different jobs right here. So guys, just keep applying, keep applying, keep applying. So now we have another one right here, dental scheduling coordinator, $15 to $16 per hour. Medical record reviewer, $12 per hour. So you can see it still applied to this. It was posted a day ago. And see, as you can see right here, different jobs. All right, different jobs. So guys, you keep coming here every day to actually try your luck. All right, so guys, this is legit. All right, this is legit, and you can actually make money from this. This is what I do, guys. I make money on platform like this, on website like this. I actually make money from it. So guys, now the third one right here is simply called freelancewritinggigs.com. So guys, on freelancewritinggigs.com, you can actually make lots of money too. And freelance writing gig.com is a daily job board for freelance writers. They create paid writing opportunities, including content writing, blogging, ghostwriting, and also journalism. So, like I said before, the job type right here, they are article writing, copywriting, technical writing, blogging for website. So, guys, you simply write on this website and you get paid. All right, so you get paid. And guys, we have different stuff that are different tools you can make use of right now to actually help you out, such as ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and so on. So that now the payout method varies per client right here on this website or this platform. Now most of them pay via PayPal, Wise, otherwise known as TransferWise, and some that via direct bank transfer. So guys, most listings right here are remote, and they are open to international writers, including Nigerians. So if you are watching from Nigeria, this is for you. So guys, you can also make money from this by writing. All right, so guys, you don't even need much experience to actually do this. You have different tools that can simply help you out right now. So now if you want to start any right here, so as you can see writing gigs right here, so you want to click on writing gigs. So you want to see the job list right here. So guys, now you just have to keep coming here every day to check out their list. Now as you can see, this one was posted May 29, and another one right here was posted May 26, 2025. Another one was posted May 23, 2025. So I'll simply scroll up and click on the first one right here. I think this is the latest. So once you check what you have right here, so now looking to make money with your writing skills, there are tons of opportunities for writers to earn from home. Whether you're seeking a full-time remote position with a company or want to build a freelance writing business, there's never been a better time to turn your way with words into a steady income. We combine writing jobs every day, from content writing and copywriting to technical writing and journalism, so you don't have to do the grunt work. You have to okay. So guys, let's check out today's list. As you can see right here, for freelance writing jobs, right here we have writer, fashion, and celebrity news. So if you jump on this first one, you will earn $30 to $30, 77 cents per hour, which is simply remote and also part time. The second one right here is freelance writer. You're going to earn $21 per hour. All right, and next one right here, another one. So blogging jobs, you can also jump on blogging jobs, copywriting jobs right here. So guys, proofreading jobs, as you can see right here. So guys, I have loads of opportunities for you right here, and guys, there's no excuse. You just have to be consistent. You have to be serious, know what you're doing, and at the end of the day, guys, you'll be able to earn loads of money. So guys, those are the three remote jobs sites that paid me real money last week. So if you want to start earning in dollars from Nigeria, don't wait, try them out and let me know how it goes in the comments. Also guys, join my Telegram channel for daily updates, legit job alerts, and access to the full list of platforms I actually or personally use. All right, I personally use new videos every Tuesday and Friday, so make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. See you in the next video.